Want to learn how to get a stubborn ex-girlfriend back? Well, here's how to not only make her come back, but make her want to stay for good, too. Now, I know how frustrating and insulting it is when your ex refuses to come back to you, and yet one thing's for sure, what you're doing to get her back is not working. And if you don't change your approach now, you'll lose her forever, so listen closely. I'm about to show you the one big mistake that ex-boyfriends make when trying to get their exes back. If she's refusing to come back to you, you're probably making this mistake. So what exactly are you doing that's keeping your ex from coming back? You're about to find out in this video. Before we begin, do take a moment to scroll down and give this video a quick like. You'll get more scientific advice on making your relationship work. After all, that's what you're here for, right? To make your relationship work. So go ahead, click like, and let's get started. I'll share with you the biggest mistake that you're likely to be making that's stopping her from coming back after you click like. Go ahead and click like now. Done? Great. So here's the one big mistake you're probably making that's keeping your ex-girlfriend from coming back to you. It's simply when you keep trying to get her back. That's it. That's the mistake. You keep failing, but you keep trying to get her back anyway. So why is that a mistake? Here's why. Because your intentions are clear. Your ex-girlfriend knows you're trying to get her back, and because she knows it, she'll naturally resist it. By the way, it's not a choice. She's not choosing to resist your efforts. Instead, it's something she, and many other mentally healthy women, does on instinct. Mother Nature has hardwired the female mind to resist direct suggestions. I mean, you've noticed it too, right? When you ask a woman out on a dinner date, that's a direct suggestion, and as a result, she's much more likely to say no than yes. Meanwhile, if you tell her you're going to get dinner and you invite her to come along, that's an indirect suggestion. And guess what? She's much more likely to have dinner with you. All because you kept your intentions shrouded and mysterious instead of open and obvious. So remember that little factoid about the female mind. She's hardwired to resist direct suggestion. All women are. Do you agree with this? Let me know by typing yes or no in the comments box below. In any case, the solution is the same. You'll need to hide your intentions. Your interactions with your ex-girlfriend should have no hint that you're trying to get her back. How exactly do you do that? With the pattern break technique, that's how. What's that all about? The pattern break technique is another science-based technique. It's a psychological tool that, when used correctly, can make your ex actually want to get back with you. How does it work? Well, I'm about to show you. Before I do though, I have a question for you. Did you learn something new out of this video so far? If you did, then do consider becoming my newest subscriber. By subscribing to my channel, you'll continue to get great dating advice that's been scientifically proven to work. And isn't it about time you got some advice that actually worked? So go ahead, click the subscribe channel now and get your relationship back together. Go ahead, do it now. Have you subscribed? Awesome. Welcome to the party. So here's how the pattern break technique works. The first step is to completely cut off all communication with your ex-girlfriend. That's right, all communication. That means no texts, no calls, and no emails. You're not even allowed to like or comment on her posts on social media. Cut off all communication for 1 whole month, or at the very least, 3 straight weeks. Get ready to forget her for a bit. Even ignore her when she tries to get in touch before those 3 weeks are over. What's going to happen in those 3 or 4 weeks? Well, you'll be doing whatever you want. It's a good idea to use that time to get your life into better order. Do you need to find a better job? Do you need to develop a skill? Do you want to pursue a new hobby or business? Go for it. It'll get your mind off of your ex-girlfriend and make the weeks of no contact easier. If you do it correctly, your ex will start missing you soon enough, and she'll likely be the first one to re-establish communication with you. She'll send you a text or chat message asking how you are. When she does that, then it's time for the second step of the pattern break technique. and that is to reply to her in a nonsensical way that will catch her off guard. Here's an example. Let's say that during the 3 weeks of zero contact, you decided to become a wine connoisseur, and then, after almost a month, your ex-girlfriend sends you a text that says, "Hey," and you reply, "Hey, what's up?" And then she asks, "How have you been?" And then you tell her something like, "Cinnamon wine, never drink it." That's going to make her go, "Wait, what?" And that's when you tell her about your wine connoisseur efforts. You also tell her the story of how cinnamon wine took you on a bender one night, or some other funny story that's totally unrelated to your relationship. You get the idea, right? The key is to break the pattern of you trying to get her back. Now, you're putting a new pattern in place, and it's one where you're never judgmental, always positive, and always happy to see her. Afterward, you stay in touch with her and even go on friendly dates with her. Through it all, you do not bring up your past relationship with her. Instead, you focus on simply having good times with her. And when she tries to talk about your relationship, try to brush it off and change the topic. Eventually, she'll reach her breaking point. She'll go ahead and ask about the possibility of getting back together. And when that happens, congratulations! You've achieved the goal of the pattern break technique. You've actually made her want to get back together. And this time, you didn't even try to. Brilliant, right? And that is how to get a stubborn ex-girlfriend back. Although now comes the hard part. Now it's time to make her stay for good. And here's the problem. If she asks to get back together, and you say yes too eagerly, then you'll blow it. She'll realize that you've just been putting on an act, and so she'll leave you again soon enough. So instead, you want to make her work to get you back. That way, she won't take you for granted. She'll feel as though she wants to get back together more than you do, and that's the secret to making her stay for good. So how exactly do you do that? With a second scientific technique, of course, and this one's called fractionation. Long story short, fractionation is a conversation technique that makes women feel addicted to you. It works by putting women on emotional roller coasters, and it's these thrill rides that trigger the addiction mechanisms in their brains. In your ex-girlfriend's case, you're going to fractionate her between two strong emotions, and those are being rejected and being accepted. And the result is that once you accept her back as your girlfriend again, she'll feel so addicted that she'll never let go of you again, for better or worse. That's the power of fractionation in a nutshell. If you want to master the technique today, then I got some good news for you. At the very end of this video, a link will pop up. When you see it, click on it. That link will take you to a special online masterclass on mind control. There, you'll learn everything you need to know about fractionation, what it is, how it works, and, most importantly, how to start using it today. Trust me, fractionation is the most important persuasion technique you'll ever learn. So now, I got to ask you, do you want to get your ex-girlfriend back? Do you want her to stay for good? And are you willing to do whatever it takes to make it happen? Then your success is just a click away. Go ahead, click the link and join the online masterclass now. Click the link and follow the instructions.